Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with an 18 by 24 inch pre-primed black canvas and some Anita's white metallic with Venetian blue in it and some folk art neon purple that has more Anita's white metallic in it and some Venetian blue. There's a theme. This is some color shifting folk art blue that I added some purple to, I believe. I see that there's a little something in there. I do want to just fill this up, and I'm going to add a little more purple flash. And it occurs to me I might like some of this amethyst from Artist Loft. And I still have room, which is kind of cool, because I'm definitely liking what I'm seeing for colors. Maybe a little more of the Venetian blue, which is iridescent from Modern Masters. And I didn't add any of this cobalt blue. Gosh, that's gorgeous. Which is from Artist Loft. So hopefully I can keep most of these things away, out of the way. Same with these. And just start. I have schmutzed my canvas up already. So that's interesting. Where to start? Where to start? Where to start? Get the paint to the edge. I'm loving that the Anita's white metallic came out at the bottom. At the end. So that's pretty cool. That's not a bad start. I don't mind that start a bit. I am going to think about these colors and go darker. I'm going to start with the amethyst. I don't know if you can see over there or not. Put some more of that lighter blue in, which just stopped coming out. Oh, I got the plug out. Cool! Ha! I'm going to go with a little bit of Hot Orchid from Color Art. I'm going to do something out of character and put the Anita's white metallic in the middle, which is unusual. I have some emerald green folk art color shifting, and I am going to also use some of the green gold color shifting, and then I'm going to find that turquoise again. And wish I had mixed it all up. I'm kind of wanting some little bit of Prussian blue, but I think the electric blue will make me happy. It would if it were open, and will you open? Oh, I thought I had it. Sometimes the plug will just come right out. We're going to remove this plug right now, and then I might be tempted to put a skewer into that shovel. Come on, back on you go. And I am looking for what? Emerald green? I have some emerald green. I also have some of this other weird color which might be kind of cool in there. Maybe just a little. Alright, this is going to be tricky. I should have used a smaller scoop. I could probably still scoop that paint right out of there if I wanted to. But what I'm going to do instead is just go. I need more paint in there. And I'm going to grab some of my magenta from Golden. Some of my folk art neon pink, a little bit of the color shifting red, and a whole bunch of, hopefully not a mistake. Oh, come on, don't be plugged now. I was going to say I'll take what I can get and try to squeeze it, but I could see the whole top was going to come off if I wasn't careful. Alright, I need something to poke in there. There should not be a plug in there right now. Well, I'll get the paint I need. I don't know what this is going to look like. The colors aren't bad. They're kind of different than what's usual. There's always the possibility, and it has been in the back of my mind, to be willing to go back in and add some cell activator and see what happens. I keep thinking about the Prussian blue, but not grabbing it. There we go. I got some now. I want to put... No, I'm going to go with the gold. The Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. I need some of that. That's good. Let's just stay right down here for right now. This might be a very different piece of artwork. With all the different color combinations. I'm not hating on that. I might not get it done as quickly as I might like to. Just take a moment to let that paint relax right out of there. See how far I can make it go without disturbing canvas or leaving marks of naked canvas behind. So I like the gold in there. I want to tip it. I don't usually tip it, but I want to tip it this time because I can, sort of thing. And I don't usually, so it's time to experiment a little bit. I'm not sure that did anything special that I'm happy about. Nope, not going to go there yet. Let's grab some gold this time. Some Venetian blue. Some of the color shifting blue. A lot more of the cobalt blue, which is actually metallic Artist Loft. What else do I want to go in there? Strangely, I am being called to this strange combination. Okay, it's all getting very strange, but it's okay. I'm going to give myself permission to use a lot more orange, which has iridescent pearl fine added to it. This magenta from Golden has a lot of iridescent pearl fine in it also. I'm going to use some of the Hot Orchid. Put a little bit of the Folk Art Neon Purple that has Anita's White Metallic in it. A little bit of Venetian Blue. And the Cobalt again. I'm going for the white. Whoa, right in there. I'm thinking about giving it a little bit of a stir. Trying to get my bottles out of the way. Trying to pick my trajectory. Now, because that's hefty, I'm going to go ahead and give myself permission to to let some of that go right over the edge. I hope too many other things aren't going to move. I don't promise to finish in 20 minutes, but I do promise something's going to be interesting and pretty colors. The element of tipping is not really something I'm used to doing when it comes to shovel pours, so it's a whole new gig. And I'm getting close to the point where I think it might be okay to stop in spite of not filling the canvas. And that's okay. So that was some Hot Orchid, some Decor Americana 24 karat gold, some Anita's White Metallic, and yeah, some Prussian blue, some Venetian blue. I like adding an element that's unexpected, like the dribbles. Sometimes it absolutely makes a painting. I'm not sure I can get away with that. I think I need more. I have some light pink around here somewhere that I haven't used today. And here's some... Oh, that's not coming out. I was going to say the Arteza would be nice. Let's see what's open. The color shifting purple is open. Let's put a little bit of that. This is getting complicated. This is not something anybody's going to try and replicate for sure. But you never know. I mean, you could do your own thing for sure. I'm a little quiet because I'm a lot focused, and I'm getting to the point where I think I'm really kind of okay, but I also keep seeing pretty colors and wanting to use them. So there's some more of that Dairy Lid yellow, which is Sargent's yellow with a little bit of unicorn spit in it, and some of the Anita's white that has, I want some real orange. Actually, I'll take that Folk Art red color shifting and add a little bit of magenta and a little bit of that neon pink. I'm almost there. I feel like I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. was trying to be tricky, and I'm not sure it worked. Maybe. I like creating the effect of layering. Might be time for dots. Just use what I've got. I'm not unhappy with that at all. I really like this actually. And I'm perfectly happy with the colors coming out of my shovel too. I just connected the dots. Oh, I want a little bit of purple. I'm not sure if it's going to join in or not. Where else do I need anything? I'm not sure I need a whole lot of anything, but I am going to put that purple closer to the point. So that was 17 minutes of fun, and this is me telling you that I'm 2 minutes away from being done no matter what, because I'll stop. And that I have over 2,100 videos. And if you ever need a link, just ask me. I have them all organized by topic and genre on playlists. Links all saved. Check my link tree below the video. It's got Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. I want to try and pay attention to what I'm doing because I don't want to put in a batch of dots that lead the eye somewhere I don't want them to go. And I'm remembering to pull the shovel up all the way because there's a little sticky cling-on that could leave a track I don't like. That reminds me of jungle flowers for some reason. Flowers and vines, but it is what it is, and I like it. It's fairly well balanced, all things considered. I've got a lot of like nice negative space. I could zoom in. I don't think you're going to see a whole lot of anything super special. I'm going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and see if there's any place that I might want to put this gorgeous color that I have in my shovel. That's not hurting me at all. Just going to add a little starburst. I don't think that hurt anything. I've got 1 minute to tell you I run a monthly drawing that helps support the production of videos at the studio. And if you'd like to be in it, please look for the exhibition video in the last 20 seconds on the end screen of this video and every video for the monthly drawing prizes, in case that will entice you to want to make a donation through PayPal or Patreon. PayPal is preferable, honestly. And what? And I just want to do what I'm doing. And if you look on the link tree, you'll find my Amazon link, and my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I don't want to add too much that's going to ruin anything. I don't know what I'm doing right now. can finish that stroke there. All right, so I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. My email address is below the link tree. If you have